Hello again. So we're back for another walk. And this one we're on, or in, Whitechapel. So we've got Tower Hamlets town all over there. So we've got the market on. I'm not sure if it's on every day, Tower Hamlets market or Whitechapel market, but I think it's on most days. So it's looking pretty busy. It's currently mid-morning, around about 11 AM. Early March, early part of spring, but it's actually very cold, so it feels still more like winter than spring. It's got light rain, but they are forecasting sleet and snow. So we'll have to wait and see whether that materialises. But I do have a brolly with me, so if it does come down, I have got a bit of cover. But anyway, we'll have a look along the market, see what we can find. Seems to be a lot of fabric. Right, that's the end of the market, walking down this section of the road. We'll have a walk up Valence Road and have a look towards Bethnal Green. Now, I'm not familiar with the area. I'm sort of from West London, so East London. I kind of know it a little bit. It's got some famous people that lived here, obviously. Jack the Ripper being one of them, and also the Cray twins were residents of Whitechapel, Bethnal Green area. In fact, I think they lived on this road, Valence Road, that we're on now. So we'll walk up towards Bethnal Green and then we'll come back down again. Just have a look, so we can see if there's any old and new buildings, as we do on this channel. So we've got some old tower blocks over there. They're not new, but you can see the city in the distance. That'll be Liverpool Street and the City of London. over there. So it is a big Bangladeshi community, I think, in Whitechapel. Not so much Indian, but Bangladeshi. So there's still a lot of old Victorian properties, as you would imagine, around this part of town. We've got some 1930s built, I would say, maybe 1940s, 50s, not quite sure. And Valence Road. So it is quite cold mid-morning, like I say. There's snow forecast, but it's still quite pleasant. It's not teeming with rain yet. So we've got a little blue plaque on the building there, corner of Buxton Street. Mary Hughes, I'm not sure who she is. It's a nice old building, a nice example. Friend of all in need, lived and worked here 1926 to 1941. Don't know if we can see that. Picture of Amy Winehouse there, George's Grill. Oh. Looks like they're all queuing up to get petrol. It's quite cheap there in Asda's, £1.61. So there's an example of a new build going up, or gone up, right next to the old Victorian arches. As we head towards Bethnal Green. Must be a taxi parking space here. There's a lot of them here on double yellow lines, but they're obviously just waiting. Cab company, oh there you go. Maybe it's where they get them fixed. Looks like he's got a lot of business. Just cross over here.
If you were to buy, say like
Seems to be a lot of taxis around this part of town. Bethnal Green.